Hey, in this video, we're making rooster and wine. What? Coq au vin. Stick around. All right, the first thing we want to do is cook some bacon. Get it nice and crispy. And once that's done, we're going to season up our chicken on both sides, salt and pepper. Then drop it in, well, don't drop it, but gently place it in the oil in that bacon fat and brown the chicken on both sides. Easy now. Hey, if you like this content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you along for the ride. Then take it out of the pan, put it on the side. Go ahead and pour off most of the baking fat. Reserve it. We're going to use it to cook our mushrooms later. Add your sliced onion to the pan along with your carrots. Get those brown. Then add your chopped garlic. Then spoon in some tomato paste. Cook it until it's dark and fragrant. Now let's deglaze our pan with red wine and chicken stock. And be sure and scrape the bottom of the pan to get those brown bits off the bottom. Then put in your thyme, a generous amount of thyme. Add your chicken back to the pan. Now let's cover this pan and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. While the chicken is simmering, let's go ahead and saute our mushrooms. Let's get that bacon fat that we have reserved, and let's get that in a pan and saute our mushrooms until they're brown. Once the mushrooms are brown, we'll take those and put them to the side. Now let's go ahead and make our roux. We're going to do equal parts butter and flour. We're going to cook it slowly until it gets brown. And then let's put that on the side for later. We'll use this to thicken our coq au vin. Okay, our chicken has been simmering for about 20 minutes. Let's take the top off and add our pearl onions to the mix. Incorporate those nicely. Now that roux we made, let's take that roux and spoon that into the stew, and this will thicken it. So after we get that roux in, then stir it a little bit, then cover it, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer until it gets nice and thick. And then after that, you want to add your mushrooms and your bacon. Stir that in. Let it simmer till it gets nice and thick. Hey, if you like this video, you'll like the next one. I made chicken paillard. Click the link, check it out.